All right, it's time for court today. Murtala Inusah is in the studio. Captain, good morning to you.
How are you doing today? Good morning. I'm good. Yourself?
I'm fine, thank you. It's great to have you here in the studio.
Yes.
Getting into the details, I understand that yesterday the Ghana Bar Association had an induction ceremony. Absolutely. The new executives of the Ghana Bar have taken over. So Yabuafo is not there anymore.
Yeah, he's now a former
GBA president. Yes, he decided not to go a second term.
Yes. And one of the things that I have learned is that inside there is not easy. If you don't have a strong chamber and you are an executive member, the chances are that you could even lose your chamber because it's a full-time job. It's a full-time job.
Yeah.
And so
maybe Yabuafo wanted to return to his chambers.
No, probably he has other consideration and other ideas and all that. But it was an exciting scene yesterday. Where the induction ceremony was carried out. In fact, the President of the Republic, JB Danquah, was there. Everybody that you can think of, apart from the minority side, the NDC side, all the big lawyers that you can hear, you know about, all of them.
So there was no lawyer from the NDC side?
I have not seen any known face of
a lawyer from the NDC side.
I didn't see them yesterday.
So
yesterday we saw...
But those from the MPP side, there were a lot of people there.
They were massively represented.
That's interesting.
The former Chief Justice, Georgina Chodora-Wood, was there.
Right.
Absolutely. In fact, big faces were all there and all that. But of course, the woman of the moment, the first female president of the Ghana Bar Association, Mrs. Efua Ghartey, has been speaking, and she has a love message for the husband, you know. The role that the husband played, especially when she started practicing as a lawyer. Let's go and watch what the love message that Mrs. Efua Ghartey has for Mr. Ghartey.
The missing part of this tapestry of destiny changes is the gentleman who met me at Akufo-Addo, Prempeh & Co. He authoritatively asked me my name, introduced himself as my senior at the bar, who hailed from Winneba and Shama, and schooled with two of my brothers at Infantsmim, a school my father had also attended. His order to me the first day at work was simple: follow me. Off we went to court, me being one of his juniors. The others included Honorable Esla Ekufu and Honorable Atachia. Honorable Jogati, I am glad to announce to you that today, Honorable, if I may repeat, today, after 33 years of following you, I have varied your order a bit. I wish to direct you, as your president, in matters affecting the bar. Kindly follow me. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that was on the lighter side. I am confident that as you have supported me tremendously over the years, you will do same in this new role. Bless you.
So that is Mrs. Efua Ghartey. She said that, look, in the early stages, Ghartey
said, follow me.
Yes, in the early stages, Ghartey would say, follow me. Now, Ghartey should also follow her.
Because he's at the bar, and she's not the bar president.
Relation to the bar, she's the president. And Mr. Ghartey now is the first gentleman.
The first gentleman of the Ghana Bar Association. Interesting stuff.
So yesterday, the induction ceremony was held and all that. And so the Chief Justice was represented by Justice Senyor Jamefe. And Justice Jamefe is the president of the Court of Appeal Judges. And in fact, he sworn in the new executive. But he also has a message for the GBA. And let's listen to him.
When the Ghana Bar Association elected 2 female leaders, the president as well as the vice president. Like the Honorable Attorney General said, this is the first time it's happening in Ghana. To the incoming elected executives, just a little reminder. Your association, among others, is to promote legal professionalism. And secondly, to enforce the code of ethics. Very important. A lot of things are happening these days. We're seeing lawyers on social media. Watch it. Then on the national front, the association is known for the following, among others. You are the voice of the voiceless when it comes to national issues. You are to ensure human rights are not abused and no excesses also occur in society. You play the watchdog role to ensure the three arms of government operate within the confines of the Constitution. That is what you are known for. On behalf of the Lady Chief Justice and my own self, we encourage the incoming executives to perform these roles that the association is traditionally known for. Once again, on behalf of the Lady Chief Justice, the Judiciary, Judicial Service, and myself, we congratulate you for your election as the new executives of the Ghana Bar Association. Congratulations.
Justice Seyono Jamefe, he represented the Chief Justice in his own capacity as the President of the Court of Judges. So that's one of the advice he had for the new. And the Attorney General has been speaking. You know, one of the things that, one of the characteristics about the Attorney General's office is that you see a lot of women in the office of the Attorney General. When you look at all the state attorneys, majority of them are ladies. And the Attorney General is saying that, yes, the chances, ever since he took over and he has been administering that ministry, the chances are that when you have more men, the chances of corruption is higher. But with women, it is lower. And so, GBA having the president, the vice president, in fact, the leadership being ladies, the chances are that GBA will be stronger. But he has this message. Let's hear from that.
We therefore have a duty to support the judiciary in its work, which is fundamental and crucial to sustenance of Ghana's democracy. The General Legal Council will be right in acting against such lawyers who would deliberately delegate the judiciary and thereby endanger Ghana's democracy in a firm phrase. A situation where lawyers propound false constitutional theories on radio, misconduct themselves in court and in public, but the General Legal Council fails to apply the relevant sanctions, contributes to the erosion of respect for the legal profession, destruction of the integrity of the judiciary, and most importantly, the deterioration of the constitutional order of the country. New executives have no doubt that the fine blend of experiences and rich profiles that will bring into your respective offices will equip you sufficiently to discharge the demands of your duties and to win the heart of the bar, the bench, and the public. I have no doubt that you will prove yourself equal to the task. I wish you a successful term. The privilege of service is yours. Do your best. God bless us all.
So that's Godfrey Awadami there. Okay.
So yesterday, he also spoke to them. In fact, it was a very interesting, like I said, all the gurus, all the lawyers that you can think about.
All of them were there.
Were present there. So
all right.
That is it for the news. So Mrs. Efua Ghartey's administration has taken off. In the next 3 years, we'll see what they will have for.
So Boafo has handed over to Mrs. Efua Ghartey.
Yes.
See the president. Why is he dressed like Godfrey Dami?
Yesterday there's
the first gentleman.
You see that the
first gentleman and his attorney general
and the attorney general they look alike. Suits. Yes, they look alike. So maybe he's following.
But the president is looking sharp.
Very, very sharp.
Looking smart.
Very, very
looking sharp.
So that was when he was acknowledging some of the moments. Yes. So yesterday he was there, and in fact, if you look at the rendition, most of the people, the big lawyers that we have produced, all of them seem to be coming from his chamber. So
they have a new president.
When they are giving the chronicle, when they were making the order, you see he was just shaking. Yes, he said Ghartey. Yesterday he chopped his fans off. He did.
Atachia.
Yes, I remember Atachia was also there. In fact, A lot of faces. That is Victoria Bath, the Vice President, Mr. Okujeto, Samuel Okujeto was there. Some.
Yeah.
And they were big faces. All of them.
Interesting stuff. Yes, so let's get to some of the cases that we can expect to come up in court today.
Yes.
Give us a breakdown.
So just before I go to today.
Yes.
Yesterday, Sexy Donor came up.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I wanted to read certain portion of his testimony to you. Very interesting. He started off from where he left off before this new legal year, when he was talking about going to an Ashaola in Coates and then going to gate the prostitute. Yesterday, he said that, look, that prostitute gave him a very good pleasure, very, very good sex, and then he had wanted for more. So that you notice that in his account, he said that when the lady approached him, she took him to her place. Now at 2 a.m., he came back to the bar, got some few energy drinks, and at 4 a.m., he went back. He went back because he enjoyed the moment together and he wanted more. And that was when the incident happened, and he wanted to go and report at the Greater Accra Regional Command, and they went there, and the rest is history.
So this is to say that he was not even there.
Yeah, he was not even there.
And where he was being accused.
So the point is that tomorrow he'll be back to continue with his testimony in relation to this very case and all that. Coming up today, Gregory Afoko.
Yes.
Yes, that case, 2015, is still on.
The retrial.
The retrial. And the third time is the third retrial. It's on. So prosecution is expected to call their third witness today before Justice Marie Louise Simon. This case also stalled because of the absence of the juror. Yeah. Most of the time in the last legal year, they were on strike. So Afoko is expected to happen today. And one case that I have been giving you an update on, Lilwin and Martha.
Popular Kumawood actor Lilwin.
Yes, Lilwin and Martha Ankomah. They are back in court today. And guess what?
With a what, 5 million Ghana cedi defamation suit?
Martha Ankomah has sued Lilwin. And the point is that Lilwin for some time now has not been in court. And the court is saying that the case will move on without him. Fortunately for Lilwin, he has entered appearance. So his lawyers have entered appearance, and today the court is expected to hear the matter. So we'll hear what Lilwin and his lawyers will be telling the court, whether he himself will come personally or his lawyers will come and represent him. That is what we do expect in relation to some of the cases that are coming up today.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Murtala, for bringing us the latest from the courts. That will do it for courts today.